Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make a shape layer as a mask in After Effects. After starting After Effects, we can click here to create a new composition. And then I keep this setting and press OK. So a composition is created. Now I go to my file folder. I have an image downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I drag and drop into After Effects projects. And then drag and drop into composition to become an image layer in the composition. Now I can press S to show scale to scale it, and we can move it here. Now we can make a shape as a mask. Before doing this, make sure that we deselect all the layer. We can press Ctrl Shift A to deselect all the layer, and then we can go to Shape Tool. Click and hold, we can choose rectangle tool, round, rectangle tool, ellipse tool, or polygon or star. I will use round rectangle tool in this tutorial, and click and drag to make a round rectangle. So we can see that the shape layer is created. I minimize this, and then if we want to make the shape layer as a mask, we can go to here and right click and show columns, and go to show modes. Okay. And then we can find track matte. In the image layer, we can go to change track matte to shape layer 1. So we can make a shape as a layer. So this is how we can make a shape layer as a mask in After Effects. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.